Alright, this is going to be a quick and simple tutorial on how to change your default moveset for specific Pokemon in Pokemon Unite. First, you go to the Pokemon tab over here on the left side, and you select the Pokemon you want. So for me, this was for Venusaur because I prefer his second moveset. So you'll notice it hovers moveset up at the top. You start by pressing A, and then you have to press R or L to tab over to the move you want to change. So I'm going to press R twice, and you'll notice I'm already defaulted to Giga Drain. So what you do is, once you're tabbed over to this move that you want to default to the other one, you press X, and you select which moveset. So if I want the second one, I click moveset 2, and it's all good. Same for this one. If I tab over by pressing R, I press X and select which moveset I want, and I do want moveset 2, so I'm going to keep that. But that's it. Now it's saved, and once you load in, that will be defaulted to, so you don't have to change it every time. Hope that helped. Have a good one.